52 teams of 8 antique rival wisdoms compete to do the future a favor and guide a life at stop2think.com. Team quote 40.7. The surest test of discipline is its absence. Clara Barton 1821–1912. This insightful observation from Clara Barton, founder of the American Red Cross, reflects her deep understanding of human nature gained through organizing disaster relief and medical care during the Civil War and beyond. The quote is particularly clever in how it points out that discipline's true value becomes most apparent precisely when it's missing. Like many important foundations, discipline might be taken for granted when present, but its absence immediately reveals its crucial role. What makes this insight especially powerful is how it applies across so many contexts. In emergency response, Barton's specialty, the presence or absence of discipline could mean the difference between life and death. But it's equally relevant in personal habits, organizational management, or any sustained effort toward a goal. The observation has a particular resonance coming from someone who had to maintain discipline under extremely challenging circumstances. Barton's work required maintaining order and systematic approaches in the midst of chaos and disaster. She would have seen firsthand how quickly situations could deteriorate when discipline broke down. This wisdom remains remarkably relevant today, whether applied to personal self-discipline, organizational structure, or crisis management. It suggests that we often don't fully appreciate the value of discipline until we experience the consequences of its absence.
And to help raise school test scores and confidence with free easy extra advantage math, spelling and reading workbooks you can download for free at stop2think.com or buy at educationstopshate.com. Free easy math wisdom workbooks with octa repetition to grow math self-confidence. You'll get plenty of repetitive practice of age ranges and averages of our 52 teams of 8 quote authors. Free easy alpha cipher coded puzzles teach letters, numbers and phrases using antique wisdoms that encourage and educate. Can you decode this cipher quote of encouragement using either our Learning to Spell or just for fun instructions? And since time is money, practice reading faster with 52 teams of antique rival wisdoms. We offer printed versions and timed videos with background music. And if you'd like to get paid for sharing our wearable wisdoms, keep this in mind. Everyone I know wears a shirt, and most of us change them daily, so change your shirt and change the world. Social equalities are blatantly subliminal antique positive wisdoms repetitively shared without saying a word. This applies to all our wearable shareable wisdoms. Like pretty witty baby onesies and pretty witty kids. Youthful truths let your kids gain confidence sharing antique wisdoms with their friends. Imagine them sharing words of wisdom with classmates and teachers. I think therefore I think tees I wear is a super easy way to share words of wisdom. With wearable wisdoms to fit babies, kids and adults. You can clothe a whole family, city or state. So do the future a favor by encouraging, educating and entertaining with words of wisdom make us all wiser and kinder. And for a downloadable PDF of these team quotes, join the 52 of 8 today.